Y'all, I mean, let's get into the hair. We got her back together, y'all. We did.
Merry Christmas, baby. Sure did treat me nice.
Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHON. Today's video is brought to you by Janet Collection. They sent me some products to try for you guys. Now this is a revamp video, okay? Meaning the funds are gone. And we are revamping a old synthetic wig. This wig is over 2 years old and we got her back together like this. Listen. So if you want to see how I revamp and naturalize my straight back part synthetic wig, make sure you stay tuned for that. And y'all know it's still Wigmas, so make sure you check out the pinned comment down below for the giveaway. As always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this video is brought to you by Janet Collection. We are going to revamp a wig that was already in my Janet Collection arsenal. It is the unit Kaja. I got her from the Natural Me Blowout collection. I don't want this one. I want the dark choco. This is in 1B. Wait a minute, hold up. Okay, here we go. Dark choco. I didn't rip the box to smithereens, but can you see it right there? Kaja Dark Choco. The wig is actually in pretty good shape for this to be like a 2-3 year old wig. I don't have any snags in this. Oh, yes I do. But it does have a slight like stale smell to her because, you know, she has been packed up for that long. And my lace is dirty. And because I use makeup, I don't want that bacteria, you know, laying on my head. So I'm gonna wash that out and then I'm gonna give it like a co-wash. Because again, the hair is not, it's not bad. It has a nice luster to it. So to clean up my wig and get that smell out, I'm just using the Esha Wig shampoo and leave-in conditioner detangler spray. I'm mainly focusing that product on my part because I did have makeup in my parting space and I do want to get that out so there's no bacteria on my hair or around my face. This took me about 2 minutes, y'all. Nothing crazy at all. If you need to use it anywhere else, you can definitely do that. That leave-in detangler spray definitely helps with the smell and also detangling the hair so you don't get any unnecessary shedding on the unit. And these products are not only good for your synthetic wigs, but also your human hair units. So if you want products that are catered to wigs, make sure you check out these Esha products. All right, so now I'm going to use my blow dryer because my hair is mainly wet around the top here. First I'm gonna do warm and high and then I'm gonna switch it to cool. This is going to be a very quick install. One thing that I didn't really care for with this unit was the combs right here in the front. That's a little too much security. So I don't want to use those on my wig unless I'm wearing a wig grip. It does have the adjustable straps and the comb in the back, but I can't remember if I needed a wig grip or not. Ooh, that parting space is really wide. So that's one thing to be careful with. When you cut that V in your wig, if you pull it a little too much, it will split even more. So just be mindful of that. I will need to spray my wig down right here just to kind of hold it in place. And that parting space is really tight, but I don't have that much space to open that up. So I'm gonna have to do some makeup magic to get mine together. Use my little brush right here to brush the hair out. Uh-oh, got some tangles down here. Use some of that detangler spray on the end here to get that out. There we go. It's a little chilly outside, so the thick hair comes in clutch. I'm gonna pull this together. Ooh, that gap is trifling. You can definitely put this unit behind your hairline. I'm not gonna do that today because I want to show y'all how to get it together like this. Where is my melt spray, child? Oh, right here in my face. So I'm gonna use the Esha melt spray and I'm gonna spray it right here in the front. Right along that parting space to hold this down. Brush this back again. Now let me get my makeup powder. Put a little bit on my brush. So I'm just kind of working it back and forth. Bring that down the middle. I'm gonna clip the hair back. Got some things to do. I don't got a lot of time. Let's get this wig on. All right, let's finish up the styling. Make this wig look as natural as possible. I'm gonna cut them a little bit shorter. Wait, who has my scissors, child? I'm just gonna, let me try shorter first. I mean, I could have used my razor instead of running around crazy for my scissors. Do a little bit shorter. I'm gonna curl it. I have this joint on 5, okay? Not hot at all. Don't want the bang. I'm just bringing some shorter pieces around the part so it's not so perfect. Spray it down right here in the middle. Brush it back like so. Add some more powder in the parting space. Make sure it's opened up. Uh-oh, not that much. Then I'm gonna bring it down to the front. And that's pretty much it. Okay, y'all, so here's the final look. Nothing crazy whatsoever. The parting space is pinched like a penny, but do what works for your head, okay? This is just what I did for mine. The hair texture after 2 years is still a vibe. It feels real good. It smells amazing. This dark chocolate color is a favorite of mine from Jana Collection. It's a dark root into like a chocolate brown color. It just looks, it looks so good, y'all. It looks so good. Let me do a little bit of powder right here. Something was a little off. It was a little too dark. I think we got it. Bring that back to the front. I part, T part, whatever you want to call it. It's a straight back part, all right? So you're not getting a bunch of parting space up in here. In my initial install of this wig, I did pull out some hair in the parting space, but as you can see, I couldn't pull out too much because the parting space was still very, very tight, and I was going to run into some tracks over here. So go ahead and use your lace tint or your makeup powder, whatever products you need to put in the middle of that parting space to open her up. Go ahead and use that, okay? But what they offer, I think we got her together. Y'all, I mean, let's get into the hair. The shine, the luster came on back. The parting space is looking nice and clean. We got her back together, y'all. We did. Jana Collection, let's revamp Kaja. Let's revamp her as a 13x6. Maybe y'all have, and it's called something else. I don't know. But I kept it short and sweet. That's all I got. Shout out one more time to Jana Collection for sending me these products. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link for my products down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.